Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to obtain my digital code for my prepaid phone card in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. I'm so interested to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to obtain my digital code for my prepaid phone card in Best Buy. This is how it works. Okay, where do I obtain my digital code for my prepaid phone card? Now, after let's say after purchasing a prepaid phone card and you want to get digital code for your prepaid phone card, this is where you can find it. Now it says your digital code will be emailed to the email address you used in the ordering process. So after ordering your prepaid phone card, your digital code will be emailed to the email address you used in the ordering process. Make sure to check your spam folder in case the Best Buy email domain is blocked from your main inbox. So this actually implies that if you cannot find the email in your main inbox, go ahead and locate the spam folder in your email account for you to get the email, containing your digital code for your prepaid phone card. So you can head over to, this is Gmail, right? And in Gmail, you can now click on this more option at the left corner of your screen and click on spam. So once you click on spam, you should be able to see any spam, but if you cannot find it in your main inbox, which is just right here. Okay, so that's pretty much how it works. So do not forget, check your email, check the spam if you cannot find the spam, check into the inbox if you cannot find it in the inbox, and check the spam folder. And that's pretty much the process. That's how you'll be able to get your digital code for your prepaid phone card in Best Buy. I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.